Welcome to English Academy. In this video you are going to learn how to speak English fluently even if you are a complete beginner. And the best part is you can do this by practicing just 10 minutes a day. This is a full spoken English course. We will cover daily practice, vocabulary, speaking, listening, pronunciation, and more. This video is long, so take your time and follow along every day. Are you ready? Let's begin. Learning English starts with one thing: a daily habit. You need a simple system that you follow every day. It does not matter if it is morning or night. What matters is that you give yourself time to learn and speak. Every day you will practice listening, speaking, and writing for just 10 minutes. This 10-minute habit is the foundation of your English journey. So let us begin with the first part. Start by choosing your fixed time every day. Maybe after breakfast or before going to bed. Make sure you are not disturbed. Sit in a quiet place. Have your phone or laptop ready. Keep a notebook and pen next to you. Write down this sentence: I want to learn English because. Now complete that sentence with your own reason. Say it aloud. This is your motivation. Let us start with speaking practice. Repeat these simple sentences after me. I want to learn English. This is my phone. She is my sister. They are my friends. I go to work every day. Now change the subject. I am learning English. You are a student. He is sleeping. She is reading. They are playing. Repeat each sentence slowly. Then say it faster. Now say it naturally. This helps you speak more fluently. Let us move to question and answer practice. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Now answer them yourself. My name is Jack. I am from California and New York. I am a student. Say your own answers aloud. This builds confidence. Now let us focus on listening practice. Listen and repeat this short conversation. Hi, how are you? I am good, how about you? I am fine, what are you doing? I am going to the market. Now say the whole conversation again without reading. Let us listen to a short story. Today is Sunday. Ali wakes up early. He brushes his teeth and eats breakfast. Then he watches an English video. He wants to improve his English. Repeat the story. Now try to say it again using your own words. Let us now learn new words. Here are some useful words. Eat, sleep, go, come, sit, stand, walk, run. Mother, father, friend, teacher, doctor. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, now, always. Rice, tea, milk, fruit, bread, sugar, water. Say each word slowly and clearly. Use it in a sentence. I eat rice. She drinks tea. We go to school. Now it is time for writing practice. Take your notebook and write a short paragraph. Today I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I watched an English video. I wrote some sentences. Do this every day. Other topics to write about are my family, my daily routine, my dream, and my favorite food. Let us read some simple lines. English is a beautiful language. You can learn it too. Practice every day. Now read this short story. Sarah is a student. She loves to speak English. Every day she listens to videos and speaks with her friends. Now she speaks English confidently. Say the story again without looking. Now let us practice pronunciation. Let us say some tricky sounds. Very, victory, worry, water. Think, thank, this, that. Light, right, really, rule. Say each sentence. This is a very big victory. Where are you from? I really want to learn English. Record yourself and listen. You will get better. You can also use free tools. Watch English videos with subtitles. Slow them down and repeat after them. Use ChatGPT to correct your sentences, explain new words, and give you practice conversations. Here is your 10-minute practice plan. Watch a short English video. Repeat one English sentence 10 times. Learn 3 new words and use them in your own sentence. Write a small paragraph. Read one paragraph or story aloud. Do this every day without skipping. Now take this weekly challenge. On day 1, learn 5 new English sentences. On day 2, learn 5 new vocabulary words. On day 3, watch and repeat one English video. On day 4, write about your day. On day 5, speak in front of a mirror. On day 6, review everything. On day 7, speak for 1 minute in English without stopping. Let us keep going. Practice some common questions. What is your favorite food? What time do you wake up? What do you like to do? Answer them with full sentences. My favorite food is pizza. I wake up at 7. I like to read books. Let us learn about verb tenses. Present simple. I eat breakfast every day. Present continuous. I am watching a video. Past simple. I went to school yesterday. Future simple. I will learn English. Use each tense in your daily sentences. Let us practice describing things. This is my book. It is big and red. That is my phone. It is old but still good. This chair is brown. That table is small. Try to describe your room, your clothes, or your bag. Practice emotions. I am happy. I am sad. I feel tired. I feel excited. Use them in real situations. Say them when you feel them. Now practice talking about your daily routine. I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I eat dinner. I sleep at night. Say it in English every day. Let us learn about places. This is a school. That is a hospital. I go to the market. She is at the bus stop. They are at home. Describe where you are. Say where others are. Practice talking about time. What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. Eat at 8. I sleep at 10. Practice telling time in English. Let us talk about weather. It is hot today. It is raining. It is cold in winter. The sun is shining. Use weather words daily. Let us talk about the calendar. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. The month is July. I was born in March. Practice days and months. Now learn about family. This is my father. He is a teacher. My mother is kind. I have one brother and one sister. We live together. Talk about your family. Keep practicing conversations. Where do you live? I live in California. What do you do? I am a student. Do you like English? Yes, I do. Make your own dialogues. Now you have a full system to practice English in just 10 minutes a day. It includes speaking, writing, listening, reading, pronunciation, vocabulary, and real-life practice. You do not need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. You need to believe in yourself. You are learning. You are improving. And you are doing great. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Academy for more full English videos. Comment below and tell us what time you practice English each day. Morning or night. Keep learning and never give up. You can speak English. See you in the next video.